In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring meeting using Google Meet. Whether you're setting up a weekly team sync-up or planning regular check-ins with friends or family, using Google Meet for repeated gatherings is a breeze. Let's walk through the steps together so you can easily set up recurring meetings in no time. First, we'll need to navigate to the Google Meet homepage. Fire up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Meet. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an array of options available to start a meeting. Our goal here is to schedule one that will recur automatically at your chosen intervals, and Google Meet connects seamlessly with Google Calendar to facilitate this. Next, we'll begin by clicking on the New Meeting button. Once you click that, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. You'll want to select Schedule in Google Calendar. By choosing this option, you can take advantage of Google Calendar's robust scheduling tools, which truly simplifies the process of setting up recurring meetings. Upon selecting Schedule in Google Calendar, you'll be redirected to a new event creation screen in Google Calendar. Here, you can begin entering the essential details for your meeting. Consider the date and time of your initial meeting carefully, as the recurrence rule will be based on this initial setup. The next important step is to click on the Does Not Repeat drop-down menu. This is where we'll configure the recurrence of your meeting. Google Calendar offers various recurrence options. You can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, or even customize to fit a specific pattern that suits your needs. This flexibility can accommodate anything from a bi-weekly meeting schedule to gatherings on specific days each month. Make sure to select the option that aligns best with your intended schedule. Once you've chosen the appropriate recurrence pattern, go ahead and click on Done to confirm your selection. You'll be brought back to the event setup screen. At this stage, it's a good idea to double-check all the information you've entered. Make sure your start and end times are correct, and don't forget to add any guests or additional details your attendees might need. Finally, after you're satisfied with all the event details, hit the Save button. You'll see the recurring event pop up on your Google Calendar. Each meeting will automatically include a unique Google Meet link for attendees to join, making the process straightforward for everyone involved. By following these steps, you're all set to hold recurring meetings efficiently using Google Meet. Once you've mastered setting it up, you can streamline your planning process and ensure consistent gathering times for all involved parties. Thanks for tuning in, and stay organized with Google Calendar and Meet.